Welcome to the Minett UNESCO Biosphere. As you explore this really interesting region of Luxembourg, keep an eye for the tiny bat Pipistrelle. Little bats only weigh about the same as a standard 20-cent coin and are actually incredibly efficient hunters in the air. What's even more amazing is that a single Pipistrelle can kill thousands of those insects, playing a significant role in keeping the local bat population in check.
Imagine your appetite is based fully on mosquitoes, midges, and other insects. Bats act as natural pest controllers without any artificial interference. Thanks to echolocation, they can pinpoint their prey even in the dark.
Right, echolocation. Let's expand a bit on this. Those little bats send a rapid series of high-frequency signals that us humans often can't hear. After they bounce off an object, like an insect or a tree branch or a wall, they receive them, creating a sound map in their mind. This skill is really important, especially here when the terrain is not predictable.
The Minett Biosphere, with its unique and compelling combination of recovering natural areas and significant historical industrial sites, provides a variety of important places for Pipistrelles to roost and raise their young. If you're lucky, you might spot them seeking shelter in natural cracks and crevices in trees or mines. This last point creates a fascinating link between the region's natural present and its rich industrial past.
Their impressive ability to adapt is key to their survival, allowing them to thrive even in this environment that has seen so much change over time. These bats are also really important contributors to the overall biodiversity of the Minett UNESCO Biosphere. By diligently keeping insect populations under control, they indirectly benefit a wide range of other wildlife and help to maintain the delicate balance of the entire local ecosystem.
Unfortunately, despite their resilience, the Pipistrelles in the Minett, just like many other bat species around the globe, are facing increasing threats. Changes in their habitat, such as the loss of suitable roosting sites and foraging areas, along with the harmful effects of pesticide use on their insect food source, present significant challenges to their populations. This really highlights the critical importance of actively working to protect their homes and essential food sources right here within our biosphere.
That's why the various conservation efforts that are being undertaken within the Minett UNESCO Biosphere are absolutely vital for the long-term survival of these fascinating creatures. We can all play a role in helping by actively supporting these important initiatives and simply being more aware and respectful of their sensitive rooting sites.
So as you continue your journey in the exquisite and evolving Minett Biosphere, do not forget to look at these majestic, beautiful creatures known as the Pipistrelle bats.
They are a key part of this beautiful landscape, showing us the importance of nature and preservation methods in the southern region of Luxembourg. See you in the Minett UNESCO Biosphere.